In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add the screen recording button to your iPhone's control center. The control center provides quick access to important features, making screen recording easy to use. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Look for the plus button at the top left corner and tap it to enter edit mode. In edit mode, you can customize controls by tapping at the control. Use the search bar at the top of the menu to find screen recording. Once it appears, tap screen recording to add it to the control center. You can rearrange or resize the screen recording control for quicker access. Tap on an empty space to exit edit mode and save your changes. If you have any questions or found the video helpful, leave a comment, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.